Forgive my pulse. Not that good with that. And this phone is not meant for that. It's only meant to be resistant. Tan 3 is the phone that I'm using right now. So the sound that you hear before, those are the squares. I don't know how to say it well, but you work on it. It will work on it. So the squares used to make sound to alert other squares in the area to be safe. In this case, it's about me. In this area, the worst thing that can happen to you is get bitten by a spider. So always you see those trees, make sure you're safe with them. If you're gonna go walk alone, I walk with a taser, and I also walk with a handy knife. Okay? It is what it is. I'm not gonna get into details about that, but you have to be very, very careful. This is one of the type of spiders that they are. I don't have any idea what they are. So in a sense, am I right? So always watch out for that. Cut the connection for your own good. You don't want to get beat by that shit, by that stuff. Sorry. And I'm really not recording anything. So look at this.